Well, I wanted to give you guys a review of my tiller attachment from the AGT Industrial. I gotta tell you, this thing works great, and you'll see in the video how fast I was able to tiller all my lot with this piece of equipment. The only drawback I see on it is that the hoses they're just laying on there, and they're starting to get chafed. You can see on here there's getting chafed. You can also see it here. The lines are getting chafed pretty bad, so I'm gonna have to modify it. It's because these corners are so sharp. You see the round in these corners, and it's still gonna get chafed if they're just gonna lay in there vibrated. So I'm gonna have to modify it. I'll figure out a way to modify it, and then I'll show you guys. The whole idea is to keep this from hitting this surface right here. So my idea is to put a clamp over here, over this way, and attach it to the metal there, okay, and then attach these two clamps on here, because when these lines are pressurized, they want to go where they want to go. So I want to keep it. I'll probably attach it here and here to keep it from doing this. How's that? Look at that, see? Now we keep our distance right here. And we keep our distance right here so it doesn't chafe anymore. I did have to retorque every single one of the bolts. The mounting bolt for this unit right here, those I had to retorque after I was using it for a while because they did loosen up. So you just watch it loosen, and when they loosen up, torque them up. And then I had to torque every one of the bolts holding these pieces right here. So just keep an eye on it every now and then. Every few hours of use, keep an eye on it and retorque them. Other than that, I'll show you in the next clip how good it works.